I hope you're well. In this video, we're gonna see how to activate Bizum on N26. Remember that if you are new customers, well, do it. If you register through my link, you earn 15 euros, keep that in mind. But if you are new customers, by activating Bizum, you can get a higher APR on your N26 remunerated account and earn more money by having your money there. So, where it says N26, we go to the app. I'm recording it this way because N26 doesn't allow screen capture, but well, it's okay. Here we are in the main menu where I have 120 euros in the balance as it says there. So, now to activate Bizum, simply at the top right where our initials appear. We click there. Here in our profile, we scroll down to where it says Bizum is, as you can see here. We click there. And it says, okay, this is your N26 account. B, this is your name, your number. But of course, I'm using Bizum with another bank, so now N26 has to request permission to activate Bizum. So we accept and confirm that we have laughed, that we have read all this, which is not true, okay? But we already select as if we have read it. Down here, we click on next to continue. And that's it. You already have Bizum with another bank. You cannot use N26's Bizum. Well, yes, I can, because we click on activate in N26. They must have sent me an SMS, so there it is. Okay? It tells me to enter this code here. So, and it already tells you that we are ready to use Bizum. We click on OK to Bizum. We have already activated it. Subscriptions, check story. Well, since we haven't paid anything with Bizum yet. Well, nothing, but we already have. Bizum activated on our N26. That easy. Well, thank you very much. Like, subscribe, see you next one. Goodbye.